welcome back to my small business support series. Today I'm going to be talking about another small business which is focused on skincare and cosmetic lines. They are Perfectly Posh. Perfectly Posh is a makeup and skincare company, and they are based right here in the USA. And the small business owner that I'm going to be focusing on today, her name is Rachel. She's a consultant for the Perfectly Posh products. Really, their brand focuses on self-care and pampering, and I am here for that. Let's just look into the details about this brand. Let me also talk about Rachel here for a bit. So Perfectly Posh has consultants that you can consult, and they can put in your orders for you and make a tiny bit of commission out of that. So Rachel is the consultant. She is a mom of two, and she really says that she fell in love with these products, but more than that, her son also fell in love with these products. So Perfectly Posh is a brand focusing on self. Look at this cute thing they say about hand creams. They say sometimes a hand cream isn't just a hand cream. It's a small but powerful reminder that you can be hands-on in determining the direction of your life. And a bath bomb can provide the escape that you need to blow your self-doubt out of the water. I mean, how cute is that? Let's just go into their products, shall I? Have a few products at hand. This is a product which is called, right here, Healer Stick. Healer Stick is for skin healing in case you have a rough patch or something. It's like not a roll-on, but it's a rub-on stick, so you really don't have to get your hands into anything. And I actually did use it for a skin issue that I was facing some time back. Let me just do a little more of this. It is shiny, there's no glitter in it, but it is very hydrating. And the details, if you read about the details about this product, there are so many good things in this product. Plus, it smells amazing. This has a hint of orange flavor in it, and it's really good for certain portions of your skin which may need extra healing. The other product that I have is their hand cream. So the hand cream that I have here is called as Big Fat Yummy Twilight Zoned, and this has the flavor of melon and plumeria. It is so divine, you guys. The smell, I wish there was a way that technology came up with something that I can share some of these fragrances, but this is so fragrant. Like the plumeria, I think, is something that really just puts you in a good islandy, beachy, Hawaiian kind of mood, and who doesn't like that, right? So I just keep this hand cream at my desk because gosh knows we can use some hand cream pick me up during the day. Also have this lip balm that and this is a very minty fragrant lip balm. I'm not going to put it on because I have an amazing lipstick on, which you will see as a lipstick review coming on soon, but just to put it on here on my hand, it's really nourishing. As you can see, I'm almost using this out. It is very good and I love it. So if you're in for self-care and you're in for a small business support, here is your chance. Go check out Perfectly Posh. The information is in the description. Information about Rachel is also in the description. And oh, hint, if you are watching this video anytime from April 22nd to April 25th, there is a Facebook event going on called as Mother's Day sale event, where you get multiple options. I'll link my video here about what all options, what all sales are going on. This is an amazing event with 12 vendors, well, 11 vendors who are selling products, and there's some deals to go look at. So this is your good opportunity to go check it out. But either ways, if you are into products such as skincare, scrubs, body and lip scrubs both, lip balms, of course, tinted lip balms, hand creams, body cleansers. All of these are available with Perfectly Posh. They do ship in over 220 countries. The products are made right here in the good old USA. And with that, I would like to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, find me on Instagram, all that jazz. Thank you so much for watching.